No feedback rows yet, this is guess 1. First accept cookies banner, then focus the search field and type a popular starter title and section to get suggestions. I will select the row and submit in the next batch after seeing the dropdown. Type card is RED for my guess Inception, which is a movie, so target medium equals TV. Year is green 2010, target year equals 2010. Rating is RED 8.8 with down arrow, target rating is lower, so below tilde 8.3. No genre pills highlighted, action/adventure/sci-fi all gray. No actors or directors highlighted. Constraints, target is a TV series from 2010, rating below tilde 8.3, not sharing these genres/actors/directors. Type card is RED for Inception movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year green equals 2010, so target is a 2010 TV series. Rating down arrow means below 8.8. I'll try Sherlock 2010 TV series, rating tilde 9.1. Wait, that's higher. Better a 2010 TV series with lower rating. Let me try Sherlock first to test. It started 2010. Actually rating must be lower than 8.8, so I'll type Sherlock and reassess suggestions before committing. The guess registered was Sherlock Jar. 1924, a movie. Type card is RED, so target medium equals TV series. Year 1924 is RED with up arrow, so target is much newer than 1924. Rating 8.2 is yellow with up arrow, so target rating is higher than 8.2 within tilde 0.5, roughly 8.2-8.7. No genre pills highlighted, action/comedy/romance ray. No actors or directors highlighted. Constraints, TV series, year 2010 from Inception green, rating between tilde 8.3 and 8.7, high rated 2010 TV show. Type card RED for Sherlock Jar movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year 1924 red with up arrow, target much newer, consistent with 2010. Rating 8.2 yellow up arrow, target tilde 8.3-8.7. A 2010 TV series with rating tilde 8.5 fits Sherlock BBC, 2010, rating tilde 9.1, but that may be too high. Let me search Sherlock to see the TV series option and check rating fit. Type card RED for Sherlock Jar movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year target equals 2010 green earlier, rating tilde 8.3-8.7 range. The toast says already guessed that media mean Sherlock was already used, avoid it. A high-rated TV series debuting 2010 Game of Thrones is 2011 within 2 of 2010, yellow. Let me try Game of Thrones as a strong 2010 era high-rated TV series to gather feedback. Type card is green for Game of Thrones TV series, so target medium equals TV series confirmed. Year 2011 is yellow within 2. No clear arrow, but earlier Inception showed 2010 green, so target year is tilde 2010. Rating 9.2 is RED with down arrow, so target rating is lower than 9.2 below tilde 8.7. Genres, drama is green on target, action and adventure gray not on target. No actors or directors highlighted. Constraints, TV series, year tilde 2010, drama genre, rating below 9.2 roughly 8.3-8.7 from earlier, not action/adventure. Type card green confirms target medium equals TV series. Year 2011 yellow, target tilde 2010, within 2. Drama genre green, rating below 9.2 down arrow. Breaking Bad is a 2008 TV series, drama, high rated tilde 9.5, that rating is too high, but it tests year direction and drama. Actually target rating below 9.2, and near 2010. Breaking Bad 2008 is close in year and drama. Let me guess it to narrow. I'll type into the field and pick the suggestion, then submit. Type card is green for Breaking Bad TV series, so target medium equals TV series confirmed. Year 2008 is yellow with up arrow, so target is newer than 2008 within 2, so tilde 2009-2010. Rating 9.5 is RED with down arrow, so target rating is lower than 9.5 below tilde 9.0. Genres, drama and thriller are green on target, crime and comedy gray not on target. No actors or directors highlighted. Constraints, TV series, year tilde 2010 newer than 2008, within 2 of 2011, drama and thriller genres, rating below 9.2 but reasonably high. Type card green confirms target medium equals TV series. Constraints, year tilde 2010 newer than 2008, within 2 of 2011, drama plus thriller genres, rating below 9.2 but high. Sherlock BBC, 2010 is a strong drama/thriller/crime TV series, rated tilde 9.1, thing year 2010 and rating below 9.5. I'll type Sherlock, wait for dropdown, click the TV series suggestion row, then click the guess button to submit. Type card green confirms target medium equals TV series. Sherlock triggered already guessed that media toast, so avoid Sherlock. Constraints, TV series tilde 2010 newer than 2008, within 2, drama plus thriller genres, rating below 9.5. My previous Sherlock attempt didn't register, still guess 4. Let me try a different distinctive drama/thriller TV series. True Detective is 2014 too new. Instead I'll type and inspect dropdown for a 2010 drama/thriller. Actually let me reconsider. I'll type True Detective to see options but will pick based on fit. Better, search The Walking Dead 2010, drama/thriller/horror, tilde 8.1. Let me type that instead. The guess registered was True Detective, a TV series, and the type card shows TV series green, so target medium equals TV series confirmed. Genres, drama is green on target, crime and mystery are gray not on target. No actors highlighted: Vince Vaughn, Colin Farrell, Rachel McAdams gray. No directors highlighted: Cary Joji Fukunaga, Issa Lopez gray. Poster hit now available, guess 5 done. Constraints. TV series, 2010 newer than 2008, within 2 of 2011, drama genre only among these, not crime/mystery/thriller. Rate thriller was green on Breaking Bad. Rating below 9.5, high. Drama focused 2010 TV series. Type card green for True Detective TV series, target medium equals TV series confirmed. Year 2014 RED with down arrow, so target is older than 2014 combined with earlier. Newer than 2008, so tilde 2009-2011. Rating 8.8 RED with down arrow, so target rating is below tilde 8.3. Drama green, crime/mystery gray, so target, TV series tilde 2009-2011, drama not crime/mystery, rating below tilde 8.3. Downton Abbey 2010, drama/romance, tilde 8.7 rating too high. Let me reconsider, a 2010 drama non-crime series rated tilde 8.0-8.2. Downton is close on year/drama, I'll test it to refine rating/year. Type card is green for Downton Abbey TV series, so target medium equals TV series confirmed. Year 2011 is yellow with down arrow, so target is older than 2011 within 2, so tilde 2009-2010. Rating 8.7 is RED with down arrow, so target rating is below tilde 8.2. Genres, drama is green on target, romance is gray not on target. No actors highlighted Hugh Banville, Phyllis Logan, Elizabeth McGovern gray. No directors highlighted Brian Percival, David Evans gray. Constraints, TV series, year tilde 2009-2010, drama not romance/crime/mystery, rating below tilde 8.2, high but not extreme. Type card green confirms target medium equals TV series. Year 2011 yellow down arrow means target older than 2011 tilde 2009-2010. Rating 8.7 red down arrow means below tilde 8.2. Drama green, romance gray. Target, TV series tilde 2009-2010, drama, rating around 8.0-8.2. The Walking Dead 2010, drama/horror/thriller, tilde 8.1 fits year and rating well. I'll type it, wait for dropdown and prepare to submit. Solved it. The answer was The Walking Dead, nailed in 7 guesses. The key clues were the TV series medium confirmed early, the 2010 year zeroing in from the up and down arrows, and the drama plus thriller genre overlap had pushed me toward a gritty 2010 series rated around 8.1. Great finish for a solid 244 points.